two more further subchapters, 6.5, the palette itself, and 6.6, how to display, always how to see your specialized concept in the palette. So these are the palette view, which normally is are the most important part is list down all kinds of the elements or concepts that you may use during your modeling work. So the contain the drawing tool element relation. Those upper part is we will mention some more detail later on. To create a new element and a relation in a view, select the required element. Like is I want to create our system. This software, select from this code palette, then this you can drag and drop that into a view. So this view is now our quite busy view. This is the later on we will see that you see that icon is also showing here. That is the detached palette. So once the figure has been added into the canvas, this is called canvas. You can resize, reposition. So reposition is easy. So just move that. Remember last video we also mentioned you can move through a period and then this with your keyboard enter. So if you don't have mouse, which is not so much the often happened, but if you really need to use the keyboard, is that also a way that you can move and resize. Resize is just keep and enter press the your period button. You can configure how the palette display by right click on the palette. So let me right click. So there's a setting. So notice the use larger icon is not implemented in Archi for now. So this one. So I hope is that will be the later version can be done. And the layout is only in the icon now. So you can see the column. So it's like this, but column is occupy that. If I put this, and you'd better to make that bigger. So every notation they now has some the names. But once you already familiar with enough those names, I think this column is occupy too much size. So list is useful part if you just want to see not so hugely part is you can put that list. List is only one column, so you don't need to make that is too wide. So you can right click anywhere to go to the setting. So detail is most is the information is here. So you can see that is the, but it's not too much important to me because they just repeatedly say Archimate element, which is just not important once you're familiar with Archi. So that is the drawing option. Always close when open another drawer. Close automatically when there's not enough room. Never close. So that is the thing is you can choose that. And the font. So because I don't have any text, so font is not needed to me. So I want to see is sometimes is a 3-column is good, or sometimes is better. If you want to save spaces, you can have 4-column, or sometimes is 5-column. Then for application layer and this motivation layer is good. It's just the 2 rows. That is big saving your this vertical size. So let's look at this. What's this layout? So layout already in setting. So that it just give you some convenience. So we already mentioned that cannot see palette. No, don't panic if you can't see that in the view or this. It may be closed. If it is case, open it by clicking is a Show Palette triangle button at the top right of the view. So this one. So and we mentioned this if I keep this smaller. So you can see that is always showing that just by this auto ship. So that is sometimes you cannot see is because it's hide. So now is I can make that unhide if that is no issue is to occupy some space. So that is the palette itself. Then specialize the concept in palettes. If we create some specialization element, so like is the business actor, my actor, capability, my capability. So it's used for that is they will be present here. So in the palette to enable you quickly drag and drop that to a view. This can be enabled or disabled in preference. So if you come to edit preference, I think it's on the general. So show specialization in menu or new menu. So that is one. And do I need to appearance? So where is I can disable? So special diagram. Palette is open. When open, show. Yeah, this one. So that is not in general. It's if I put here and apply, this specialized icon doesn't showing anymore. But I think it's you should not change that because the reason you create something is to help you give some convenience. Keep on that so that whenever you want to drag our this element is you can simply is do that like this way. So like the normal the icons. So we start is we finish this 6.5 and 6.6. Next one is I will go to the 6.7 to show you the detached palette. Okay, bye for now.